Welcome to the Certification Practice channel. We offer high-quality, realistic practice exams for the Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification, created by experts and verified against official documentation. Our platform at certificationpractice.com is free to use, so you can test your knowledge anytime during your prep. So you're preparing for Google's Professional Machine Learning Engineer exam. Here's something that trips up even experienced practitioners. This exam now heavily emphasizes generative AI and retrieval-augmented generation through Vertex AI Agent Builder. If you're studying with older materials focused purely on traditional ML workflows, you're missing significant content. Stay with me to the end, and I'll show you how to balance preparation across both classic ML engineering and these newer generative AI components. First, something immediately useful. The largest exam portion at 22% covers automating and orchestrating ML pipelines. That means Kubeflow pipelines, Vertex AI pipelines, CI/CD with Cloud Build, and metadata tracking. If you can confidently design end-to-end pipelines, handling retraining triggers, data validation, and model versioning, you've positioned yourself well for nearly a quarter of the questions. Another critical area involves knowing when to use which tool. Choose between BigQuery ML, AutoML, and custom training based on scenarios. BigQuery ML works when data lives in BigQuery, and you need quick SQL-based development. AutoML shines for tabular, image, text, or video data without manual architecture design. Custom training through Vertex AI becomes necessary when you need fine-grained framework control. Knowing these boundaries helps eliminate wrong answers quickly. Hardware selection appears throughout the exam. Understand when CPUs suffice versus when GPUs or TPUs become necessary. TPUs excel at large-scale distributed training for transformer architectures. GPUs handle broader workloads with more flexibility. Expect scenarios where cost, performance, and scalability point toward specific accelerators. So far, we've covered pipeline orchestration, tool selection, and hardware. Now let's address something often overlooked. Responsible AI and model monitoring receive dedicated attention. Understand training serving skew, feature attribution drift, and how Vertex AI model monitoring detects these issues. Explainability matters too. Questions ask how you'd assess fairness, identify bias, and align with Google's responsible AI practices. Expect scenario-based questions requiring you to choose monitoring strategies for production models. The format gives you 60 questions over 120 minutes. That sounds comfortable until you encounter lengthy scenario descriptions requiring synthesis of business requirements and technical constraints. Practice reading scenarios efficiently and identifying key decision factors quickly. You need 70% to pass. Scoring happens across the entire exam, so balanced understanding across all 6 areas serves you better than deep expertise in just 1 or 2. The exam costs $200, with a 14-day wait after failed attempts. Remember generative AI content? Study Model Garden for pre-trained foundation models. Understand Vertex AI Agent Builder for RAG applications. Know how to fine-tune foundation models responsibly. These topics integrate with traditional ML engineering rather than replacing it. On exam day, flag questions requiring extended analysis and return after completing straightforward items. Eliminate obviously wrong answers first, then evaluate remaining options against specific scenario constraints. If you want to test your readiness, our platform at certificationpractice.com offers realistic practice exams aligned with this certification. Our content stays current and provides scenario-based practice that builds genuine confidence. Good luck with your preparation.